going to give you just a quick rundown of how to get into Adobe Creative Cloud. I've sent for you all to have access to Adobe Creative Cloud, and so you can log in using your ZU ID. So essentially what you want to do is go to Adobe Creative Cloud and click on there, and you will come to continue to the Middle East, North Africa. That's where we are, so we want to stay there, and you'll come to this Creative Cloud section here. Now it'll show you all the different programs and things down here, but before you do that and try it for free, you want to actually go in and sign in using your ZU ID. I've obviously done this before, but you will enter that in. It's just your number, email at zu.ac.ae, and oops, you'll come through and continue. Oh, make sure you got your ZU ID there. Then what you'll come into is this section here, and you'll find a whole bunch of different programs and things like that that you can actually, or you have a home, or you can go into apps, and actually here is where you can either open all the ones that you already have, or you can install other ones. So that's from your menu button up here where it says apps. Now for you guys, you might want to use at some point Photoshop will probably use. You could use Illustrator for creating your posters, or InDesign or something like that. I also use Adobe Premiere Rush to make videos and things, the little videos that I create for you from time to time. But you have a whole bunch of different other things that you can actually install. Now there's one little issue for you guys in that when you actually do install a particular program, you may want to install a different version at some point. So it will ask you at some point, if you go to download, you'll have to click on the ... button, and it will actually perhaps allow you to install an earlier version if your computer doesn't actually take the earliest version. So maybe your computer is a little bit older. So that's how you do that. Get into Adobe Creative Cloud, download those, and play around. Be creative.